Whenever we need to do any groundbreaking or excavation, our people must ensure that the underground cables, pipes, or surfaces and their associated hazards are not exposed. The excavation should not collapse on our people. To ensure this purpose, we need an excavation certificate specifying the area and the associated permit. Which digging material can we use? In which area do we need to perform mechanical lifting? What is the ground report of that location? What cables might be underneath and where they might be located? If we are crossing an area, which service lines might be present and what underground facilities might be there? All these clearance details will be provided in the excavation certificate. Only after the certificate is validated and attached to the permit can we proceed with the excavation. What will be the requirements for the machine entry certificate? If any vehicle or any generator compressor related to our activity, which will be engine generated and will have an engine fitted inside, for example, a forklift can be used, a compressor can be used for ventilation, a generator can be used for electricity, and a crane can be used. To bring all these things into the area, we will need a vehicle and machine entry certificate. As per the zone classification, there should be a certificate, a shalon valve should be installed, a spark arrestor should be present. After fulfilling all the requirements, when we bring the equipment after inspection, we should have a valid vehicle and machine entry certificate along with our permit. At the top, the permit number will appear, followed by the vehicle. The vehicle's plate number will appear next, followed by which permit it is associated with. Zone classification, which certificate is attached, will appear, indicating in which zones it can operate, which third parties are required, and where it can be parked. All this information will be mentioned here. So you need to make sure that you have a valid and leave entry and certificate, vehicle and machine ID certificate. Only then should you transfer any equipment there. The hiring certificate is, if we have any such activity where we need to perform tasks underwater in deep sea, such as maintenance, tying, taking measurements, or checking readings, for any such activity, we need a critical work permit along with the same activity where we need to go underwater in the sea to perform activities like maintenance, tying, taking measurements, checking readings, or inspecting anything. For any such activity, we need a critical work permit along with. We will need a diving certificate, which permit is required, in which areas diving is to be done, what is the team, what recovery control is needed, what breathing apparatus is required, what will be your communication method, how you will carry your equipment with you, how you will handle transportation and material shifting, and the maximum support at a single dive, how long you can stay inside.